SwiftUI developers, welcome back to Coding Expert. Today we're diving into one of the simplest yet most powerful UI components in SwiftUI, the toggle. Whether you're building settings, screens, or toggling features, this is a must-know tool for your SwiftUI toolbox. Let's get started. A toggle in SwiftUI is like a switch. It lets users toggle between two states, on and off. Let's jump into the code. First, launch Xcode. Once Xcode is open, click on Create a new Xcode project. Select the app template under iOS and click Next. Now give your project a name. Let's call it Toggle Demo. Make sure the interface is set to SwiftUI and the language is Swift. Leave the other options as default and click Next. Choose a location to save your project and click Create. Xcode will now generate a basic SwiftUI project for you. Add state private VR is on else false. Tracks the state of the toggle. Enable feature is on is on. Padding. In this example, the add_state variable is on keeps track of the toggle's state. When the user flips the toggle, SwiftUI automatically updates the value and refreshes the UI. Let's run the application and see the output on. Now let's make our toggle more visually appealing. You can add labels and even customize its color using the SwitchToggleStyle VStack. Toggle is on, is on, has the text, Wi-Fi, data font, headline. Toggle style, switch toggle style, tint, blue. Blue toggle color, text is on, Wi-Fi is on, Wi-Fi is off, yet foreground color is on, green, but red. Padding. With just a few lines of code, we've turned a simple toggle into a feature-rich component. The blue color and dynamic text make it much more interactive. Let's run the application and see the output on, off, on, off. SwiftUI also allows you to design your own toggle styles. So that's everything you need to know about toggle in SwiftUI, from the basics to full customization. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more SwiftUI content. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy coding.